Molweni bahlali. Nindibona ndihleka nje ndisandofumana i-call from a close friend of mine, uLavisto Kawatri. Lo uthengisa amanzi. And ndibuza uba have you seen i-video ka-Unathi? Wase-Unathi Motors. Ndithi I've seen it and ndizawuresponda on Sunday. And I decided, hey, why ndizoyinika ilandika le nto lena ya-understand ile response ixesha elingaka. There's nothing really need uba kuhlale until usale. Let me just do it now. So Unathi usibonile istory sikabhuti waseNxarhuni lo we-Ford Ranger, imoto yakhe ipha kuye. There are a couple of izinto akazenzileyo after sibonile istory. One, he made a couple of videos about the story esasikabhuti responding on his page. And number two, and there was intervention ibisenziwa nguMr Ncumbese wala program ye-Teen National Dialogue wapha eBhongweni. So Mr Ncumbese called me, try intervene on kwesi story ezama uba makufunyanwe solution. And imini namhlanje he called me esithi he has spoken an hour, I think, with Unathi. And there is a solution. Unathi will release imoto zabantu on Monday, and on provision that I don't know whether ndim lona funeka enze apology or the guy that was complaining funeka yenze apology. And the guy that was complaining, I think naye funeka yenze apology, yes, because he called me la bhuti waseNxarhuni esithi no, he will never do apology. And I told him straight about once, if uthi makwenze apology, ndacela no Mr Ncumbese, if he says there must be apology, then it means uba he's the victim. I mean, we're doing esi story ngenxa yoba ubhuti waseNxarhuni ufuna imoto yakhe, and imoto yakhe ipha kuye. I don't know what yeyiphi le nto ke ngoyi-BCM TV imisishe khona i-facts khona, because he's got this guy's car and he's using imoto le guy. He admitting on one of his videos using this guy's car and uthi usezoyisebenzisa. And so we're trying as i-BCM TV to find a solution where they need to sit down and find indlela yoba umfolona afumane imoto yakhe or kubuyelwe back to the agreement. There were two things efumana kwethu story ke, I understand, mhlambi nama ndicacise lo hlobo. There were two things esenzile ifumana kwami story as I normally do. A background check uba okay, and lo brass eNxarhuni undifowunele several times esithi unesi story and ndabe ndibhizi ndolusi lapha kuDisemba. So I decided, okay, ngenxa besithi it's gonna be another 6 year imoto yakhe iphaya and ku-Unathi and uyacela uba mandisenze before Christmas. So I had to say, okay, let me stop everything then ndiyenzayo ndenze esi story sakhe. So I invited him over, then azondibalisela istory. When indibalisela, I mean, before azondibalisela istory ke ngoku sithethe over the phone, and I said, okay, I had an encounter with Unathi before, and there was a story sasizile about Unathi. Hence usithi another story with Unathi. It's not a mistake. It's not over the trial black mouth. There was two stories actually. One sasepolo and two sase-Ford Ranger. Lili ngamalady omayi-2 lawo. And ngenxa yoba sicingela ke sesithi ibhizinesi yakhe usitraya, sacingela ibhizinesi yakhe nakuqala. And we didn't share the stories salama lady. Ngenxa yoba we had to uba siyohlala naye sabiza the Association of Mechanics. We went an extra mile, and the provincial secretary of mechanics zalapha Eastern Cape sat down on that meeting I organized with city with Unathi and the two clients. And oba kwenzeka ntoni, we recorded yona lo landing on a voice voice note. We have a voice note of that of low meeting. apho khona unathi ebuyelandika khona edyuisha with the two ladies, and we never released ezo nto ezo. And even this one we had the recording of le wawenzeke ntoni na, but we don't release ezo nto ezo, you understand. But nevertheless, the meeting wayehleli khona wa-admit uba imali iimoto zikuye ezazikuye nangoku zisepha kuye nangoku. And there was a resolution on that meeting yoba unathi will actually it was a compromise from the client side. The client side, okay, you said you lungisele nalena kule engine, okay, keep your engine, thatha le engine ke kule moto yethu siyakupha le engine, yeah, understand, thina sinike iqokobhe eli le moto, yeah, understand. And there was about 80,000, I'm not sure of the amount yayiseyibhatelwe khona. So this story saletyaya selegaya senxarhuni, it's not a new story ukuthi malunga no Unathi. So when we received the story, we said, I called Unathi, I said, Unathi, there is another story, can you try to resolve le ngxaki? And he says he always defend himself uba he's clean, abantu bayamleqa, there's ntoni. And the first thing wayithethayo kwelaa lady uba elaa lady lokuqala ama-lady ke they were trying to sleep with him, or one of the lady was trying to sleep with him. I don't know ubunyani baleyo into, but he raised leyo into. And the unfortunate part uba he raised leyo into. How can you raise into lo hlobo umntu ehamba ne-boyfriend yakhe or ipartner yakhe, the new mhlambi ke ipartner yakhe, and wena uthi this lady was trying to sleep with wena, you understand, phambi kwepartner yakhe. So ingumntu ololo hlobo, that was arrogant. But nevertheless, a solution was found. Please keep whatever that uyithathileyo, thatha le engine yakho and give us imoto. And he agreed on that, but imoto isepa. And he put a barrier eyoba, before I can release the car, I need to nenze a social media player and the apology. You understand? A social media apology. And when you remember, when you do an apology, it means over you are admitting you were wrong. He's right. So apologizer, gom embarrasser. What about, I mean, as client and Ella lady, even today, they zangeli apologize. Lina lento nam ndiyibhiliva ngayo uba xa wenza i-apology uyenza i-apology xa usithi ndenze into erongo. And by udimanda imoto yakhe, and she never admitted uba there's no such thing as ufuna ulala no Unathi as such, and it's on record. But nevertheless, let's move on, because ndiyakula another ayabona benzama ucacisela another story. So there were two stories before this story. And when I received this story, says we called Unathi, and we called that guy, and then ndizama ufaka yena, but I think there was no network or data on WhatsApp at that time kule ndawo ndandikuyo. So Unathi made a conference call, was connected so by 3, and the arrogance ebenayo even on that call, hence resulted by city. Whether sinohlala ndinobabiza and have interview, we're gonna have the same. Let's have them separately. Have ilandi complain lena yalomfo ayibeke uba kwenzeke ntoni na, and you nizimamelele. Then later I even set up a meeting, a date for yena. On Monday we're gonna do his story sakhe Unathi. And even on that video I said kula video yalamfo ba we're gonna have uba siyovela inye icala lika Unathi, understand. So now being Unathi ke as he is, and he's smarter than everyone, and now he's trying to ubeka i-BCM TV as the one that is biased because he's doing his story. And mhlambi bimele uba yenziwe olu hlobo lika Unathi ke, the story is forgetting that uba we have iways zethu zokwenza story nathi. But ke we saw the video yakhe apho is-accuse khona with many things. I think there are a couple of things endifuna uresponda kuzo nakwezo nto ezilandekayo. The story sihambe elo hlobo uba la guy. And mhlambi let me just uba ndi-atlantic ndiyibeke apha ibe clear. The story sala guys, before senze story we do ilandika dot intoni laa nto uba sikhe sisetshe ngaso uba i-credibility yayo. and iguy ikhalazela imoto yayo, ithi imoto yayo ku-Unathi, and indeed imoto yayo ku-Unathi, Unathi admitted leyo imoto yayo ku-Unathi, and iguy ifuna kumancedo for uba ikwazi ufumana imoto yayo ku-Unathi. Hence Mr. Ncumbese wangena cause the guy ibawela imoto yayo back. And now Unathi kule guy uphinda ke ngokuthi no, so yinika this guy imoto yayo, but he must make an apology, public apology, cause business yakhe. And the guy says there's nothing endiyithethileyo wrong apha, imoto yami isekuwe and the prices ozibekileyo zi-ridiculous. Yeah, understand, as on the stories I said before, the prices wayezibekile kulaa malady, they were ridiculous. But nevertheless, I mean, how can I don't know what was wrong with the Polo. It was, i-charge yakhe was 33,000 to repair a Polo eye ihamba kuye. And on this one, on this Ford Ranger, I think it was 80,000. And on this kuleya yoqala Ford Ranger elaledi. And on this one, he's still claiming that he need about 70,000 rands. I mean, zii-prices zinjani ezo? Okokuqala, i-question endiyibuzayo, you understand yoba before ustart ukwenza nawuphi umsebenzi, I'm an entrepreneur, I'm an SMME, before you can start doing any job as business, uqala unike i-quotation oba this will cost you i-client yakho. Can you afford? You cannot start wenza umsebenzi eveni koko uthi gqiso usithi unida i-80,000 rand. That was the wrong part ebendiyitsho ku-Unathi uba Unathi you could have umxelele lo mntu kwasekuqaleni, ungathi gqi now at the end, because ithi le guy, as far as, if you mamela video, as far as I know, I owed him i-17,000 rands. And xa ndiyoyibhatala wathi isi-storage, ufuneka kongezwa i-storage. And xa ndimbuza today uba isi-storage ke inoba seyimali unti i-70,000 rand, you have to check iincwadi zakhe. And you see, I think zoyibeka as if ku-abuswa umntu because guy is a first time car owner. Yeah, understand, and akazi into kakhulu ngemoto, niyamva naxesha ebelandika apha akazi into yoba ilungiswa kanjani imoto. And it's the same thing owayenze kulaa malady ngokubona kwam. That's my opinion. I think kweyam icala, the reason why we were called by laa malady ngenxa ebesithi Unathi ubathatha i-advantage ngenxa bengabantu ababhinqileyo. And we are called by this guy esithi Unathi ngenxa yoba he is the first time car owner, uthatha i-advantage Unathi akafuna umnika imoto yakhe. So we're doing this story, we said, okay, there is a similar pattern that is happening here with this guy. And even when we called aba bantu beprovince yakhe, they were so shocked with the prices ka-Unathi azicharge abantu, you understand, with the prices and all sort of izinto, ideyo amount to that, to as amount azibekayo. And I believe if eza prices wayezixele before or wenze a performer, not a performer invoice, mhlambe quotation before, athi this ulungisa imoto yakho will cost you imali ethile, laa guy ngeyithathe imoto yayibeka endlini. So he is at the blame. As much as we can protect the business, because we protected the business yakhe on the first story, we never published Sona, and there was a solution. On this one, we said, no, this guy actually, we need to warn abantu about, not only about Unathi, about a mechanic. Xa uya mechanic, the moral of the story esisenzileyo is oba, you need to have quotations before anyone start ulungisa into yakho, because it will end up isesi story oba athi xa seyigqityiwe yenziwe imoto akucharge more than imali lena wawuyithenge ngayo into. And uthi yintoni leyo into? It's abuse really kum ngoyibona kwam. And uyofumanisa uba actually uyayixutha kuyigrabha xa uyenza leya into. When mechanic ekucharge close to imali oyithenge ngayo imoto, uzama uthini? Uthi hamba uthenge enye imoto mos. So I still believe oba there is a solution that can be met enofunyanwa khona. And but you can see with the response ka-Unathi and how he behaves and how he does the videos. And I think he's starting another fight with the PCM TV now, saying we were so biased stories sakhe. And everyone around Unathi, everyone Unathi is wrong except yena on this story. Because uyofumana uba yena, everyone must apologize. The lady esineFord Ranger phaa kuye elandikayo kwakufuneka li-apologize and lathi nalo soze li-apologize. And uthi nakule guy may apologize, a public apology to i-BCM TV ifotwe kuphume ku-BCM TV apologize because igama lekhampani yakhe limoshakele. And both clients, they are saying we were not wrong, imoto zethu ziselapha kuwo, yeyiphi le part funeka si-apologize kuyo Unathi. So I think ilapho into, and i-BCM TV to be biased and to be told how to shoot and how to do his stories. I think umhlambi ke uyakwazi uyifakelela, ndiyifikela kwezo zinto ndiyibonile, because he said, because I've got the recording of that guy just raised the temper yakhe because ibinomsindo phaa Unathi. They were not, bebengavani ngezinto abazithethayo. Omnye uthi ndandikunike imali cash, wawuyithatha imali cash kum. Omnye uthi zange give me izilip, and knowing for a fact uba izilip azikho xa uthathe imali cash. I'm not saying that happened, yana. So those are arguments ezo ezithi le mali ndakunika cash. Of which ke is the first time alande Kabhaya le. I-mistakes ezahlobo ziyenzeka, and we are trying to teach i-first time alande Kabhaya soba these are izinto ozifumanayo when you're not getting a receipt of anything, whether kuthiwa into izothengwa nge-back door, you must give me a receipt of whatever so that I can keep track oba xa usithi ke ngoku uwenza le billing yakho, this is how much endiyispendileyo kuwe. So to Unathi Motors, really it's unfair and it's uncalled for, because now uhambe biza igama lam oba uTasvich ubias utalandia. I don't know, bimele uba for uba ndingabikho bias bimele uba ndikweli cala lakhe na. Yeah, understand, because here's the person olandikayo, and we are trying, notata uNcumbezi utrya ufumana i-solution about what will be i-solution, but i-solution must, yena ufuna isute yena ke ngoku ulande Unathi Motors, of which I personally ndikholelwa uba la malady ayi-2 oqala afumana the raw deal of, yeah, understand, uchargwa Unathi. And I still believe even nakulena guy, that's why I'm doing this story. Nalena guy, imoto yakhe iseku Unathi, and I think Unathi olhlobo abehave ngayo ke ngoku, because he doesn't want imoto uyirelease, he doesn't want oba kubekho i-solution, because not only BCM TV tried to intervene, even notata uNcumbezi uthi akayiboni ke ngoku i-solution xa esithi lo mfo uzofuna i-apology kwi-BCM TV, uzofuna i-apology kulo mntu ngoku ukhalazela imoto yakhe, so before ayirelease imoto. And now uthi ke ngoku there must be installments azikhuphayo. Le guy ithi ayisaphangeli anymore, so meaning if ayikwazi uzi-afforda zazizo installment, then the moto yakhe izophelela ku-Unathi, which is a sad story. It's very bad. Yeah, understand. As umuntu owenza ibhizinesi, you need obuyicingelele into. And here's a guy yayiqhuba imoto yayo 6 years, yayigqibela uqhuba imoto yayo 6 years ago, and isalwela imoto yayo ngoku. So I'm just try uba ndinicacisele uba kwenzeke ntoni na. No, but I've saw the video, and it's got very low mileage, especially on reviews. I'm not doing Lando for reviews. This thing is costing me ixesha lam. BCM TV is costing me ixesha lam. BCM TV is costing me imali. Even as of views ezo, they don't pay enough me for ixesha lam. They don't pay for gas yam and young I use story. But I saw there is a gap. There's no platform that is a community. So I'm doing this out of passion, not to get likes, really. It's not, if besifuni likes, we were going to do every story besesongena, besokwenza. I mean, kululu get likes most. You can do a podcast nangempukane, you can do a podcast na whatever that is happening, and you can get likes about it. But we choose over, let's do stories that ezizoncedisa abantu zibafumanele ii-solutions to iingxaki zabo, izitori ezizo-exposa the pain abantu abaphila phantsi kwayo. So it's not about i-likes kwi-BCM TV, and even i-likes, they don't pay for us. There's no funder. We're paying out of ipokoto zethu, whatever that we're doing. And it's got a lot of, it's not like we're sitting here and doing this story. We travel and do a research and do shootings. So we're totally different than people there. I mean, mhlambi ke influencers, we're not influencer. Usivijakayo influencer. I'm not influencer. I'm just a person who's trying to play a role so that abantu bakwazi uncedakala on this platform. It's not the first platform we created. Before there was a Radio Mtazana, we started with Umdizi FM. It was helping a community. And now we're starting BCM TV, where there is no platform for television in Buffalo City. BCM is starting there. So I hope kwa unathi angasimistake as influencers. We're not influencers, they are influencers. Thank you, good people. I hope i-explanation ifumene. If uyikhona into endiyithethileyo that will offend abantu, ndiapologize. It's just ezinye izinto, they are just zingena ya-understanda kakubi elantikeni apha kuwe. So uyeva uba uraise i-voice yakho at times, you understand, especially when someone ocinga ubumprotector, because I had even i-opportunity oyilandika usuku to interview unathi. I don't know, he has done ilandi replies zakhe. I don't see, or I don't know whether he still see a point of coming to BCM TV to reply. Anyway, thank you guys. That was the explanation about Unathi Motors and the update about what is happening with Unathi Motors story. Thank you.